Hello, my dear students. It's Monday. Happy Monday. The start of the week. Today is April 20th. A wonderful day to be alive, to be thankful for. I would say so. I think so. Anyways, I want to share with you guys something. I have posted a video. It's a video that I've tried for the first time. So bear with me, my ESO students. Uh, I've never done this before. It's the first time I edited something, and I hope it came out to be okay. Of course, I think there might be some issues with the volume at some point, so maybe if it's too high, lower the volume a little so you can hear my voice better. In the future, I hope to do better editing as I am learning a lot about this system. However, that's my video. It tries to show you a way to uh, do something nice with your daily routine, something different than the typical things that we think are okay, like just playing video games or being in our room, or doing homework. Like we can also do things that are good for our health and for our mental health as well. So all of that is in the video. I hope you enjoy it. Give it a like if you like it, and we can talk about it later on in class. This video, it's the first thing that will eventually show you what I want you to do from your house. So I will upload this in the Google Classroom. I will do this after I make the video. I wanted to make the video first so I can create everything together. And it's about food and health. You have the vocabulary that you copied already, different types of texture or flavors or how you describe food in general. It has a little activity which you can get some new vocab from on the touch, the shape, the color, and taste, different ideas. Of course, this is just some example of food. You can have many other different foods. When you show me your recipes, when you tell me something that you've done in your challenge and you want to talk about your meal, then you can describe how the food is, how the flavor is based on all the adjectives that we have practiced. As I told you last week, we were going to do a bingo challenge. The idea of the challenge for me is like this. I want you guys to aim for a linea. Okay, of course, the whole bingo has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a total of 16 challenges that you can do. I think I at least show you 5 or 6 from this bingo list. Okay, I hope to upload more videos in the future for more things in this challenge. However, my idea is for you as a student to at least show me your challenge from a linea. So try to get a linea from this bingo sheet and show me some of the things that you are doing during your day that will help you become healthy and keep fit. Okay, so we have, as I said, pieces of fruit, glasses of water, vegetable servings, culinary herbs like mint or basil, things or oregano that you can grow from your own balcony or house. Experiment healthy recipes. Ooh, yeah. So healthy recipes, you can work with that. Make a salad. Practice mindfulness, meditation. Make a gratitude list. I have a gratitude list in the recording that I sent you from YouTube. Make healthy cookies. Uh, I'll show you this first. So this is the list that you have. Do core exercise. Do core exercises, abdominals. So everything that is like sit-ups, this is abdominals. The jumping jacks is cardio or a different type of cardio. Make your own granola, practice deep breathing, and make fruit salad. Okay, with maybe put yogurt in it, whatever you want to do with your salad. As long as you're showing me that you're finding a way to keep healthy, that's the important thing. Okay, so what I did with the next link after it immediately is some tips that will help you because maybe you need some ideas. Maybe you want to see how other people do things. So there are some healthy recipes that I put in number one. My favorite oat cookie recipe, which I make once a week. The cardio exercise motivation that I follow and I practice from my house. A core workout. If you just want to do sit-ups one day, you can look at that video. Push-ups. If you can't do one push-up, that's okay. But you can practice the beginner push-up, which is using your knees. So that's in the link there. A gratitude list. Why it's good to make a gratitude list. It's there in the YouTube link. How to practice mindfulness or how to practice meditation. And how to work on your breathing so you can become like better at, you're in a stressful situation, you breathe, you close your eyes, and maybe that will help you uh, work on the task that you're on in a much efficient way. Okay, so all the links are there. You can click on them. Again, you already have my video, which I made and I edited, but on top of that, you have extra videos from YouTube that could help you with ideas. Of course, you can be creative in your own way and show me those videos in your own style, which I'm looking forward to seeing these amazing videos from my students. You know, when I get the other videos from the responses to the mind map, amazing stuff. Amazing, guys. I'm proud of you guys. All right, so there's that. These are physical activities and the advantage of keeping healthy and how it's good for mental health problems and all that. So you can read that, and this is all based on this right here. I forgot to show you this. This is one of the assignments that we're working on this week. It's part of the homework for your second class, and I want you guys to do this for after the first class. You will have the instructions, and you will have this for the second class for homework. What it is a video based on, let me pause it a moment. So the homework, as I was saying, is basically instructions from number one, how sugar affects the brain. It's a video. You can click on it. If you go over the link, for example, you will see the link. Okay, how sugar affects the brain. You watch the video, and then you find the meaning to these words. So you write these words down on a piece of paper, and you find the meaning of the words. You can use Google dictionary, and of course you can also get your translation from the internet. I want you guys to get that. Once you identify these words, which you will send me a picture, you will write down 3 chunks that use this vocabulary mixed with your food and health vocabulary that you already copied. Okay? And then you will answer the questions below for homework. Good, complete sentences, guys. Okay? Give me good sentences. Don't just say yes or no. Okay? The questions are, what happens in the brain that makes sugary food so hard to resist? And what are other forms of sugar? Is sugar just candies and dessert? Where else can you find it? Okay, so just write down these answers in the best complete way possible, and that will be part of your homework. You have some ideas here for how much sugar is in each drink that you have. Of course, it depends on the country. These are some drinks that I found, but you can imagine what other drinks have a lot of sugar, and you can keep an eye out for that. Just to help you, I have created, well, the same slides that you are familiar with from my other classes, but here you have everything that you need in your vocabulary again, fusion food, finger food, then you have how we eat, how we cook, how food tastes, all the adjectives and descriptions there. You even have a little more of idioms, okay? Like varieties, the spice of life, keep an eye on, cheesy. All these are food for thought in this month of food and health. Then you have some nice quotes, and you have extra material, which I will talk about in our class for this week, okay? So don't worry if you see extra things, but it's definitely going to help you, okay? So just save this in your computer or on your phone so we can practice this all together in future classes. As I told you, I will be going over this in our class. So if you have any questions, you can let me know. And feel free to look at my video and just hopefully it clears any doubts that you have. Okay, well, that's it for now. Don't want to extend too long. I look forward to seeing you soon in our class today. And goodbye.